Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, courier just dropped off my new iPad. So, anyways, a lot of you would probably know I had an iPad Air 2 a while back, and that's cool. It was a great little tablet, or iPad. Anyways, so life happened once, and well, it's gone. But I needed a new one. And this is actually quite the severe upgrade too, because this is 128 gig 6th generation. And got this one from Rogers, same place I got my original iPad Air 2 from. And so you basically zero down deal, you make your monthly payments for a couple of years, and you know, then it's yours. So not a lot of choices in colors, but that's okay, because it's going to be going into a case. And this thing is pretty cold right now, but there's the iPad. I'm not going to fire this thing up on screen. Not on this video anyways. We'll do that later, because we have something else to show you too. So we've got the iPad, cable, SIM card, usual little booklet of info with the things. Yeah, I wonder if we do get a sticker with this one. Yes, we do. More stickers, yes. And of course my SIM card tool is in here, so I can pop that in. And like I said, the usual information. So, put all that stuff aside. And we do have a charger. All sealed up. Gotta peel that thing out. We don't get headphones with these things, do we? Guess not. That's it. So, that's our iPad. So there was two choices, basically 64 gig or 128. And I had a 64 last time. I figured, well, 128 is the way we're going to go this time. And that's a lot more space for me. I like the black front. So, and this is what they call space gray. My last one was gold, if I remember correctly. It's a color, right? So, anyways, the other part was something we ordered in from Amazon. My wife got me for this thing. Because when you buy an iPad, you should do it for your iPhones too, but or any phone or tablet. Protector glass, not a peel stick thing. Those things do not work. This is a new glass I actually found available. It's 9H. It's triple strength. They call it ultra clear tempered glass screen protector. That's about all I can tell you on that one. But anyways, so she got me this, as well as this should be, well, that's kind of really cool, my new case. My last iPad, I had like this flimsy $3 or $5 case from, what the heck was it? DX.com. Place in China. Anyways, great little fold over flippy cheap thing. But you know what? It actually worked really good, because between it and my protector glass, I did drop my iPad a few times, even in the shop at work, and no problems. It's like, yes! So, anyways, this one's got a built-in stand, which is kind of neat. We'll have to kind of figure out how this stand actually works at some point. But they say if you break the stand, according to the Amazon seller, you can get a free replacement stand. So that's kind of really neat. So I guess actually this goes like this. Ah, that's how it works. Alright, so voila, there's your iPad. So, well, that's kind of neat where all the buttons are. We got power button there. Power button, side buttons, USB port, headphone jack is, well, that is the headphone jack, that's on the top. Yeah, it looks that way. Yeah, looks like the headphone jack. That's cool. My last one, I think, had the headphone jack on the bottom, if I remember right. Anyways, so heavy duty case. Ultra protection for your camera. Nice rubber corners on this thing. Like it's not going to be coming apart anytime soon. And there's multi-layers of protection on this as well, so that's really good. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of the stand. We'll find out how annoying it is, but at least it comes off really easy. So anyways, one of the songs, sorry, not songs, one of the programs I use on the iPad is called OnSong. And it's great for, like at church, our worship leader uses his iPad. And something that I can do on this too is run the OnSong program. Then we got everything that's in my multitude of books that weighs like 900 pounds. Now is all in here and weighs like next to nothing. So anyways, do stay tuned though, because I'm going to do the installation. Actually, I'm probably going to get my wife to do this for me. I'll just sit here and bug her. But she's going to do the install on this tempered glass. Now this new tempered glass, by the way, comes with an installer frame. So this way you cannot screw up. So it is worth spending a little bit of extra money to get this thing because of the installer plate. And there's what we get in the package in here. And so my glass is in here, the frame, so you just drop the glass into the frame and do some funky chicken thing and a little dance, and voila, she's on there, and dead lineup apparently with this. And this is specific for this iPad and a few others, same as the case. It works with the iPad 6th Gen and a few others. So that's actually kind of cool. I really like that. But take that out of the way. This is just a little instruction manual for the case, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 4 layers total protection. 1, 2, yeah, 4 total layers. That's pretty cool. I'm liking that. Looks that way anyways. So I'll do the case install, of course. But yeah, that's pretty awesome, man. So I'm gonna enjoy this new toy. In the meantime, I'm out of here. I will be back when we have this thing warm up. It's going to take 4 hours at least. So we're going to just let it veg in here for the rest of the day. And then after I get off work tonight, we'll get all that done up and charge the sucker and start installing my programs later. See ya.